脚腕部是不同的，他的右脚已经基本正常，左边还没有正常。而且呢，他的肩、肘、腕的疼痛完全消失，现在只剩一个颈部，他已经有70%的好转。他才医治了大概8次，今天8次到9次的治疗，他蛮好的。他刚才告诉你们什么？他都不能坐 subway 半年多了，他现在可以坐 subway 去当趟逛街了，很开心啊。那么第6个病例就是支气管炎，它是慢性支气管炎，还有肺气肿。这个病人呢来的时候，你们上星期6有看到他，今天星期3，他看了今天才第4个治疗，在今天治疗之前，刚3个治疗，他肺部呼吸已经好很多。他自己本来不会听的，你不是做医生的，但是第一次我也让他自己听，那么今天也让他听，他自己也承认好了很多，因为他呼吸可以告诉我们。另外，他的水肿也轻了很多，但是还没有完全好。这个呢，你们就是每个星期回来听课，可以 follow up 这些病人，那你就看到他的变化。那么你们从这几个病例当中就有学习。虽然这些病例我们还没有讲，但是后面你会学习到。那么你现在先入为主，你先看一看吗？
这个足部治疗原因是因为我2个孩子都有一点身体上面的问题，有一个是也就是脑部的，他有癫痫，有一点轻微的癫痫症那女儿是皮肤病这样子，然后女儿来范医师这边几个月后发现有很好的反应，很好的好转，然后所以我也带另外一个孩子来，然后接下来就是想说多学一些，看我自己可不可以帮助他们，然后学生也可以帮助其他的人，这个是一种很奇妙的方法。没有药物，没有什么针类，小孩子、大人、老人什么都可以用，都有用。然后小孩子也蛮能接受的，因为他们也不喜欢打针，也不喜欢吃那个中药，他们也试过中药，什么一大堆的，然后是很好的一种方法。
你觉得范医师是一个怎么样的老师呢？
老师来讲，范医师很严格的。我在这边上课了几次他对我们的要求很高，可是我想这样对我们也是很好的一种训练，因为我们这几个都是离开学校已经一段时间，所以也是要他这样督促我们，其实是一个很好的方法，让我们学习更多，而且其实比较警惕，我们也可以警惕自己很多。
那么你觉得穴位按摩？比较上来，比较其他西方的医学有什么特点的地方？
主要来讲，我刚才讲过，你说像别种的按摩方法是不是？还是说别种的西药西方的那个treatment？主要就是它没有药物，没有什么副作用。OK， 这个是很大的那个，因为有些人很怕讲有什么吃药或 chemical， 这个对身体也是一种不好的地方。还有就是我刚才讲过，小孩、大人都可以接受的，因为他不需要什么很多的仪器啊或者什么的，那小孩都是很 relax， 比较 relax 一种方法。而且躺在那边很舒服，但他也不会怕或者什么的。
Why do you choose Dr. Fan as your teacher?
Well, there is no. I chose Dr. Fan as my teacher. I was a patient first. And that in being a patient, I was very interested in what it was that she was doing. And then I started to ask her or say that I would like to work with her. And she then said, I only teach in Chinese. And I kept kept bugging her until she finally said, okay, and that I then trained with her, and that for the purpose of I want to work with her in order that this art that she practices reaches many more people.
True. Yeah. So you mentioned just then that like you were a patient before,
Yes.
and you found that like foot nerve therapy is a very effective therapy, and so that's why you're practicing foot nerve therapy. Is that right?
That is correct. I had a massive brain hemorrhage and a stroke in 1999, and had very bad headaches that I was managing with 2 to 10 Tylenol 3s a day, and that my eyesight was about 60%. We then found or got referred to Dr. Fan, and that very quickly she resolved my headaches, in that with less than 2 weeks, no more Tylenol 3s, and have not had any since that time. And that my eyesight, which was 60%, is now 98%, and that I had been told by both the neurosurgeon and the ophthalmologist that my eyesight would not improve.
True. That's good. So it seems to me that like food therapy helps you a lot.
Very much.
It corrects you a lot of kind of illnesses. Right?
Yes.
True. And how do you feel about Dr. Fan? Do you think that she's a very good, effective teacher?
She is, yes, she is a very accomplished teacher. It is when you have only one teacher available to you anywhere in the world, you learn to learn from that teacher, rather than it requires that you practice a discipline of getting your ego out of the way in order to learn what it is that she has to teach you.
True. Yeah, that's right. And in fact, I know that Dr. Fan is the only genuine foot nerve therapy teacher in the whole world.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes,
right.
and that's why I'm here. That's why I like working with her, and that's why I would like to continue working with her.
True. So generally, Dr. Fan is really a good teacher.
Oh, Dr. Fan is a good person, number one. She's a good teacher, number two. She has been a good friend, number three. And we see where any of that goes.
治疗恢复中心足学神经疗法医治疑难及不治之症的专科诊所。